Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home with your family. This is Aisha Siddiqa Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is a drum freehand drawing. Freehand means you will draw freely, won't use any kinds of geometric materials. So my dear student, your class number, that means the lecture number 11. When you will draw, you must write that topic. A drum freehand drawing, and all freehand drawing is without color drawing. Though I have taken this class before, but today I will discuss about your problem, whatever you face on class, and I already watch on your live class. So dear student, look at the class very carefully, open your copy and draw with me. Remember always, when you draw the drum, you must draw a oval, and oval like this. Look, this oval, this one is thin than the middle portion, isn't it? Maximum students do like this. I just want to show you. You draw like this type of oval. Okay, this one is not right way. So dear student, always draw a oval like this. After that, you give two lines from two corners. Look, I have drawn two lines from two corners. Then you will join this line like this. Okay? Then draw two straight lines from two corners. But look, I won't use this, the marginal corner. You will draw like here to here. Just draw like two straight line. Okay. Then again you join like a, give the curved line. Okay. After that, look, I have draw like this type of two lines from there. Look, these two lines. Then you will start line here to here. Okay. Then again draw a curved line and join this. After that, you will give some decoration like this. Okay. Then give the drumstick. Okay, give here the step line and finish it like this. Those type of mistake you have do, I just show you which type of mistake you have done before. Like just this, draw like this. If anyone draw like this drum, I won't take this drum and I won't give you the number, because this one is not right way. I have already taught you which one is the right way. Again I will say, just try like this type of oval. Okay, this type of oval you will try for the drum. So dear student, this one is your HW also. Okay, so HW number 7. So girls and boys, listen to very carefully student. This one is your HW number 7. You do the HW, submit on your school every Saturday 3 AM to 4 PM. at your school. So my dear student, practice more and watch this class very carefully. No more today, stay safe at your home. Thank you.